Hey, what's up guys? Pav here from Producers Buzz. Today guys, we're going to be looking at two different Vocal Doubler VST plugins. And we're going to be using these on the vocals that I made a few months ago. Be the best demonstration to see the actual procedure of each VST. So we're going to be combining and looking at two VSTs here in FL Studio. Now, we've got something called the Avox Duo by Antares, a very popular kind of auto-tune VST plugins. They, dominate that auto-tune VST area. Whereas we got also something called Vocal Doubler, which is produced by Izotope, and they dominate the mixing and mastering kind of feature. Now, Vocal Doubler is a paid plugin. Vocal Doubler is a free plugin, whereas the Avox Duo, it comes in a package, or you can buy it separately. So both, kind of deliver the same versatility. I can't even say it. They both deliver the same kind of versatility, the versatile when it comes to doubling your vocals. Both have different features and both sound different. So we're going to be looking at these today. And these are the vocals that we are working with. So let's just turn it off and listen to the vocals.
Dancing by the moon, moving as the energy by the moon.
Now we're going to turn the main beat off and only concentrate on the vocals.
Dancing by the moon, moving as the energy.
And what we're going to do is we're going to look at Avox Duo. So we're going to open it up, load it up, and see what it does. Well, first of all, the good thing about Avox Duo that Vocal Doubler doesn't have is basically the vocal range. You can control the vocal modeling doubler, which is auto doubler system. Kind of really nice GUI here that we're looking at. Gives us something called the vocal range, so we can really kind of target the range we want. We can double an instrument, alto and tenor, or soprano. Now we want to just go for alto and tenor. Obviously the this goes like the bass, the mids and normal, and soprano the really highs, and then you got the instruments. So we're gonna just kind of target normal kind of voice. What we have now is alto and tenor. So this is something that the Vocal Doubler doesn't have. Well, it's stuck on the screen here. Let me just select that. So this is something that we don't have the features on here. Even if we click on the settings, we don't have any settings at the back end either, which kind of is a disappointment because it would actually be a really good plugin. They both sound different. Let's just turn on the Avox Duo and then the Vocal Doubler, both work in their magic, and see what you guys think. So let's just turn on the Avox Doubler first.
Dancing by the moon, moving as the energy by the moon, moving as the energy by the moon.
Now without it,
dancing by the moon,
you can see
moving
it really doubles the vocals really well.
Moving as the energy by the moon.
Now let's listen to the Vocal Doubler, which is free. Obviously it's free, so Izotope kind of let me down a little bit in my perspective. There could have been more features here.
Dancing by the moon, moving as the energy by the moon, moving.
Now this is on 100%. You can actually control the separation and variation. Again, really nice GUI, but it's lacking. It's actually lacking with all the kind of features, because I'm going to run through all these features on here. But in my point of view, it's free, so we can't really expect much, and they both sound different. Let's check it out. Let's try to combine them and see what you guys think. So this is the Vocal Doubler.
Dancing by the moon, moving as the energy by the moon, moving as the energy.
And the Avox Duo.
Moving as the energy, dancing by the moon, moving as the energy. You got the moves, you got it.
Again, the Avox Duo really does do it really well. Now, the Avox Duo is free in my description. You guys can get both links. The Avox Duo is part of the Antares full auto-tune combination. Comes with like 20 different plugins. It's like £20, $20 a month. 14-day free trial. You guys can download it below or get it separately. Again, the Vocal Doubler, guys, is totally free. So I'm showcasing you the both. The reason I would go for the Avox Duo is it's paid, I know, but there's more features and it sounds a lot more professional. So we can really control the timbre, we can really control the vocal range, as well as the double effect. Check this out.
Dancing by the moon.
We can control that timbre.
Energy by the moon. Moving that's the energy by the moon.
Then we can kind of shift the timing variation so it offsets a little bit more. And this is something that we're lacking with the Vocal Doubler. If you want to kind of offset the double vocals a bit, this is very handy. Check this out.
Moving that's the energy that's by the moon. Moving that's the energy. You got the moves.
Oi, oi.
You got it. You got it. You got the moves.
And then on top of that, guys, we can really control the double kind of effect.
Dancing by the moon, moving that's the energy by the moon.
See that? So we can really control that, the volume of the double vocals, and we can also pan the left and right levels. Check this out.
Dancing by the moon, moving that's the energy by the moon.
So as you guys know, sometimes when it comes to mixing and mastering double vocals, you might want to go like 88 on both sides. So 88, 85, whatever. Just to make it sound more natural.
Dancing by the moon, moving that's the energy by the moon. Moving that's the energy by the moon. Moving that's the energy. Dancing by the moon.
And now we're targeting the higher kind of notes.
Dancing by the moon. Moving that's the energy by the moon.
Notice there's a slight difference. You guys won't be able to hear it, but if you actually listen to it through an EQ kind of EQ filter, you will actually see a lot more difference happening in the EQs and the hertz coming out. So this is really good to control what kind of range you want to double. Again, if we turn on the Vocal Doubler, turn this on, this is what it does.
Dancing by the moon, moving that's the energy by the moon. Moving that's the energy by the moon. Moving that's the energy, dancing by the moon.
Good thing on here is you can actually control the effects. So you can turn the effects like, let's say 50%. Again, you can do that with Avox Duo just by turning it down 50 halfway. Works the same. Basically, that's all you're doing. Is you're putting it effects only kind of mode.
Dancing by the moon, moving that's the energy by the moon. Moving that's the energy by the moon.
That's quite crazy, right? That you have two different vocal doublers, but yet they're both giving out different sound output. I mean, check this out.
Dancing by the moon, moving that's the energy by the moon. Moving that's the energy by the moon. Moving that's the...
Again, the Avox Duo has got more features. We can control this timbre sound. If I turn it on, check this out.
Dancing by the moon, moving that's the energy by the moon. Moving that's the energy by the moon. Moving that's the energy.
So cool. So, sorry, it lags a bit when I press stop. I don't know why it does that. But yeah. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I wanted to demonstrate two vocal doublers side by side so you guys can see the difference. Again, Antares is a paid VST and the vocal doubler is free. There's both links below to go and grab them. You can either get the vocal doubler, which is free, and you know, to achieve that pop smoke kind of vocal effect, vocal doubler would be perfect. Yet, if you're looking for a more professional and more versatile kind of VST and really hit those notes, then I am gonna rate Antares on this one. I did not expect this VST to actually blow my mind with the features it contains, yet it does provide better sound quality and better sound output when it comes to modeling the doubles of the vocals. Now again, you guys can kind of, you know, use, there's 100 different VST plugins that will do this. Reason I am putting these side by side is because these are the two most common used vocal doublers, and I wanted to demonstrate to you guys, you know, what they do. They double the vocals, of course. Without these effects, this is what it would actually sound like. Sorry, let's put it here.
By the moon, moving us the energy. By the moon,
gives us thickness. Just double the vocals.
Moving us the energy. You got the moves. You got it. You got it. You got the moves.
As you guys can see, the Avox Duo is a lot more richer in sound, a lot warmer, and we also control that timbre kind of flashback sound with the vibrato. I haven't even touched that, but we can control the vibrato of the sound coming out, and it just really blows my mind that these two, you know, are so cool yet so versatile. That's the word I was looking for. And they're so different. So I just wanted to point that out to you guys. If you are thinking of getting, you know, a vocal doubler, these are the two you want to look at, and you just heard them side by side. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, mainly providing information and showing you guys what is best when it comes to vocal mixing and vocal mastering inside FL Studio. Apart from this, guys, hope everyone is cool, everyone stay safe, peace out. Make sure you hit the like, make sure you subscribe. Go below in more descriptions if you guys wanna, you know, download the VST plugin or get the free trial from Antares. The links are all below. Please, guys, hit the like if you enjoy this, and also, guys, hit the subscribe. Apart from that, see you next week. More vocal presets coming up. Peace out. Ciao. Pow! Pop, 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 pow!